Human beings have been subjected to suffering since the beginning of time. Have you experienced trauma? Trauma controls the way we perceive and react to the world through our subconscious mind. Why should we let it define us? Our success and failure depends on how we process this trauma. We have been trained in the ancient art of self-inquiry, breathwork, and meditation. Thousands of people in our global community have already benefited from this practice. Mindful Servant Institute can guide you on the journey to your true self.
I'm having such a blast.
The all-encompassing experience is different than just like logging onto YouTube and watching some 15-minute long yoga practice.
Highly motivated, very happy, grounded children who are thinking at a time when most children are thinking about themselves and only themselves. Here are these kids who are thinking about how they can serve their fellow human beings.
That we're still practicing a lot of mindfulness in this community.
Do not let your past control you any longer.
And calm down and release, hopefully, whatever is stuck in there.
Join us for the monastic trauma therapy.